Who uses whole life insurance? What type of individual is attracted to cash value life insurance? Have you ever wondered that question? I have. I study it nonstop because what is so interesting to me is wealthy individuals, corporations, banks have used cash value life insurance forever. And there's always a reason, but that in itself, what I just mentioned there, wealthy individuals, banks, corporations have used cash value life insurance forever, and they often use it for the cash value benefit. Okay, that bullet point right there attracts people. And the reason why is we want to know often, what are the wealthy doing? What are individuals that have already figured it out? What are they doing? And then how do I copy them? What are the specific benefits that this product, this strategy provided for them? And can I do it on my personal scale, my personal level as well? And the answer is absolutely. You know, if I were to ask that same question, right, to my company or to myself, what type of individuals are attracted to cash value life insurance? For us, I'll let you know right now. Typically, real estate investors. That, for whatever reason, real estate investors are extremely attracted to cash value life insurance, and really because the product resonates with something they are already doing. You know, a beautiful feature to a cash value life insurance policy is if I'm earning between 3 and 5% tax-free, that 3 to 5% will continue to compound no matter what. As it grows over time, when I borrow from it, if I decide to, just like I would borrow against real estate, I continue to receive compounding as if I never touched it in the first place. So if I take a loan and then repay it, I see everything in my policy fully restored to what it would have been otherwise. That's a very attractive feature, and real estate investors like that, and they've stated this and we've seen it constantly because usually they'll do that with real estate they own to acquire other real estate, leveraging. But now they've got this life insurance product, safe, liquid, tax-free, liquid. They don't have to qualify for a loan, anything like that. They request it, shows up in cash value, and that's it. So real estate investors are often very attracted to this. Engineers, IT professionals, technical individuals that like to study the product, and then once they see the benefits, they look at it and say, okay, I get it. Here is exactly why, after my analysis, exactly why these big hitters use these products, and here's how they use it. The idea of the wealthy using these products attracts them, but they're not going to buy it because of that. They're like, okay, that sounds intriguing, but Steve, you guys better show me exactly what they do. So specifically, here's how it works. If I pay $1 into a policy, your dollar can go towards premium, which first buys you death benefit and takes a long time to capitalize cash value, or I can pay it right towards riders that accelerate the immediate cash value, asset on the balance sheet, positive return, break even early on, and greater benefits long term. People see that and say, okay, now that's attractive. Now I see why they're doing it. Give me that option. Quick sample up on the screen. There you go. Strong policy, safe, liquid, tax-free area to position money. So we've got real estate professionals, IT professionals, engineers, technical-minded individuals, and then entrepreneurs, business owners that are very, very focused on growing their business, developing other individuals. That's my big thing. I love doing that, just business and helping others, clients we work with, staff in-house, sales agents, people that strive to get to that next level, be better and better. That I can go on and on about that. But my point being is working with, call it like-minded business owners, professionals that say, hey, like my goal in 10 years is to hit this level. And some people I've worked with have phenomenal goals and they've got it mapped out step by step exactly how they're going to get there. So we'll have conversations around that. Okay, that's really cool. Like I'd like to learn more as far as how you map that out and then do the same thing based on my goals. And this is not just business, it's personal, professional, financial, all that good stuff. But conversations around those areas are extremely valuable. But where that business owner or that entrepreneur is attracted to the cash value life insurance product is that it is a hands-off product. You've got access to the capital, very easy to access. But what I've heard so many times is you don't have to think about this product. In 2008, I remember after '08 happened, I was in college, but shortly after, as I got into this industry, everyone was worried about a crash again, and an individual presenting another product and service stated, yeah, I own whole life insurance, and in 2008, I had my 8% dividend. Like, I didn't have to worry about anything. Value just kept going up. Individuals that lived through 2008 and recessions have had policies for 30 years plus. There's a construction owner I remember hearing about years ago that said, aside from the interest in my business that I own, my stocks, bonds, real estate investments, all that stuff is great, but my life insurance policies have been my best performing asset. And the reason why is he didn't have to think about it. No matter what happened, it just continued to appreciate over time. He'd make his $12,000 premium payment and see $48,000 in growth. They were 30 years old, so they've been compounding for a long time now. But he didn't have to worry about any risk, any market crashes, no matter what. This was his fixed asset, his safe bucket of money, which he could still access for other opportunities as well. So where a lot of business owners are attracted to that is if their focus is not the life insurance product. That's a great asset that can help complement what they're doing, but their focus is business. Maybe they've got some money in the stock market and risky areas, but if they're one that's going to worry about that or say, hey, I've got my percentage there and that's it, I'm very disciplined, that's not for me, or I've got enough there. This is a product I don't have to think about, and no matter what happens, keeps on going up. So those are three types of individuals that are attracted to these products, and I know I put a lot of information in there as far as how they use it, why they use it and such to build wealth, help them hit their goals and such, copying the wealthy, but that's a quick overview. As always, I do hope that this helps. If you have any questions, would like to talk to us or see any examples, reach out anytime, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again. Hey guys, Steve Parisi here. If you enjoyed the content you just saw, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for future videos. If you'd like more information or to see some custom policies for yourself, feel free to call or email our offices at the contact information below.